Spots in McMaster University's residences are fully booked. The school, along with many others in Ontario, are reopening on-campus living at full capacity this fall. But for first years at McMaster, the school now says you must be fully vaccinated with a Health Canada approved shot to live on campus.
Really what we're looking at with gathering limits lifted, with distancing requirements lifted, masking and vaccinations are the most important tools we have at our disposal to keep the residence environment and our students safe.
Campus may be quiet for now, but come September, residences like Brandon Hall here will open their doors to over 3,000 students. McMaster's Dean of Students says they've received very few negative responses about the mandate so far.
That's not necessarily surprising because when we surveyed students coming into residence, of those who responded, 97% said that they had intended on being vaccinated or already were. So there's a very small percentage who weren't or weren't intending to.
The university will not require students living off campus to be vaccinated. Mohawk College also announced today that students living in residence must have at least one dose. In St. Catharines, Brock University students do not need a vaccine shot to be on campus or in residence. The editor of the student paper there says he hasn't heard any backlash from his peers.
The combination of hosting the vaccination clinic and not mandating vaccines, I do think is generally well received. I think there is a fair amount of hesitancy to any type of mandates of vaccination.
He also points to international students who may have gotten their shots of a vaccine not approved in Canada.
You know, there's a wide array of students, particularly international students, that aren't going to meet this requirement, but also have no reason to receive a full, a full 2 doses of a Canadian approved vaccine.
But McMaster University says at this point, international students will need to get vaccinated again with an approved jab. However, the university also says it's working with Hamilton Public Health to see if they should allow all vaccines approved by the World Health Organization. For those who do need shots, the school will be offering a clinic on site in September. Emily Tayler, CHCH News, Hamilton.